Hi children, let us continue with the chapter. By the way, have you revised your last day's portion? Good. Now let's begin. Adaptations in plants. In our last day's class, we learned about adaptations in plants. In that, we studied about the adaptations of plants in plains and on mountains. Now, let us learn about plants in deserts and in areas of heavy rainfall. Plants in deserts. You can see plants like cactus and palm in desert. You know that it is very hot and arid in deserts. That means there is very little rainfall here. So, how do the plants survive in these dry conditions? Let us learn about that. We will study about the adaptive features in desert plant by observing a cactus plant. Look at the pictures. Do you see leaves in cactus plant? It doesn't have any leaves. Cactus plant doesn't have any leaves. The leaves in cactus plant are modified into spines. Why is it so? It is to prevent the loss of water. It is to prevent the loss of water. You know that plants remove excess water through stomata, which is present in leaves. So, as there is only very little amount of water in desert, a plant cannot lose water. So, the leaves in cactus plant are modified into spines. In order to prevent the loss of water, the leaves in cactus plant are modified into spines. Now, if there is no leaf, how do the plant cook food? We know that plants need leaves for making food. So what about a cactus plant? Where do it cook its food? It is the stem that prepares the food in cactus. It is the stem that prepares food in cactus. The stem is thick and fleshy as it stores water. Also, it is green in color. So, the stem cooks food for cactus plant. What about the roots? The roots in cactus are long in order to reach out for water. In order to search or reach for water, the roots in cactus plant is long. These are the adaptive features which help the desert plant to survive in the extreme hot and dry conditions. Now, let us watch a video about this.
This vacation, Sid and Alicia have come to visit a desert with their parents.
The desert is such a hot and dry place. It seems there is no water here.
Yes, but see, there still are plants around here.
Kids, the deserts receive very little rainfall, because of which they have very little water, and that too very deep underground. In spite of such scarcity of water, deserts do have plants. Are you wondering how these plants survive in deserts? Cactus, palm, and acacia are the most common plants found in deserts. These desert plants have special adaptations, which help them to survive in such dry conditions of a desert. Let's discuss these adaptations by considering the example of a cactus plant. A cactus plant has a thick green stem. The thick stem stores water in it when water is available. This stored water helps the plant to survive when water is not available. In addition, the stems also have a waxy coating, which prevents the loss of water from them. You can also notice that a cactus has no leaves. Actually, The leaves in cactus are reduced to spines. This is an adaptation of this plant to prevent the loss of water that occurs through the pores in the leaves called stomata. Since a cactus has no leaves, it carries out photosynthesis with its green stem. So, the food for the cactus plant is made in its green stem. Just like stem and leaves, the roots of the cactus are also adapted to the desert. The roots are spread out wide and deep into the ground. This helps the plants to absorb more and more water from the ground. With the help of all these adaptations, a cactus survives in deserts. In the same way, other desert plants are also adapted to the environment.
Let us move to our next topic. Plants in areas of heavy rainfall. The plants here have lots of leaves. These plants almost remain green all around the year. These plants almost remain green all around the year. The plants that grow here are rubber, pepper, cotton, teak, rice, etc. This will be for today. Now, today's homework. Why is the leaves in cactus plants modified into spines? Why is the leaves in cactus plants modified into spines? The second one is, where do the cactus plant prepare its food? Where do the cactus plant prepares its food? Third one is, name two plants that live in areas of heavy rainfall. Name two plants that live in areas of heavy rainfall. Thank you. Have a nice day.